Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft Idea. After a long time again I am here to share with you something and enjoy the video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please click on the red subscribe button for more videos and press the bell icon to get notifications. Today I am gonna sharing with you this beautiful transparent gift box tutorial. It's very easy and I hope you will definitely like it. So let's get started. At first, take one hard A4 sheet. The thickness will be 80 GSM or 100 GSM. Now mark the point which I have mentioned on the screen. Actually, you have to make 6 boxes of 9 semi. Now join each and every point. It's ready. Now you have to cut only the middle line and it will look like this. Now you have to score it by scoring tool. If you don't have, don't worry, you can make it by using scissor also, like this as I am showing. Now mark 1 semi from each side of this box. And by using sharp knife you have to cut it properly, like this. Now just attach it. Now take one transparent sheet and cut it. I think this kind of sheet already is available in your home, so just use it and just attach it on each of the boxes. It's time to make the lid. For this again you have to take one A4 sheet and just mark the point I have shown on the screen. Let it dry and your lid is completely ready. For making the cake, you have to make 2 circles. The radius will be 3.5 cm, like this. Now take one A4 sheet and mark 4.5 cm. Now cut these strips and then mark 1 cm from each side and join it like this. Okay, so like this make another one, and the measurement will be in the description box, so just check it out. So the base is ready. Now for decoration I am using a cute polka dot ribbon. Now I am using rhinestone. You could get it easily from any local store, or you could get it from online also, Amazon, Etsy, Bitsy, everywhere. Now just roll a paper and make a candle like this, and take another color paper of 8.5 cm and just attach it in the middle. Now attach the cake like this. It's time to decorate the lid. I am using only a cute white ribbon, and I will make a bow, just simple decoration, but if you want you could make it by another way. So our cute transparent mini explosion box is completely ready, and it looks amazing guys. You should try it definitely. It's very easy and beautiful. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and wait for the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Love you. Keep supporting and watching Craft Idea.